Hi, it's Jen at Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these peach moonstone hoop and brass paddle earrings. So we're going to start by attaching the bead to the paddle. So we're going to use wire to do so. We're going to use a 22 gauge stainless steel wire. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to bend the wire away from me to create a 90-degree angle. Then I'm going to put my pliers in that angle and wrap it around to create a little loop. And then I'm going to attach the paddle. Make sure that all the paddles are the even sides. And then you're going to want to hold that loop and coil your wire back around. And then you take your cutters and cut off the excess wire. Then you're going to string on Moonstone, and we're going to do the same loop at the top. You're going to put your pliers up against the bead as close as you can get. You're going to bend it away from you to create a angle. Then you're going to go back in and bend that around. And then you're going to attach that to your hoop. And then you're going to coil the wire back around till it meets the bead. Cut off the excess wire. And then we're going to open our ear wire. And we're going to attach the hoops. And then we're going to twist it back into place. And there you have it. All supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.